Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Instagram app is updated. Outdated versions hide options. Once updated, open your profile and tap the menu icon. Navigate into Settings and Privacy right away so you can access account controls. You need to confirm that you're on a professional or creator account because the dashboard only appears there. If you discover you're already personal, stop here. Switching account type is required to see and then remove the dashboard. Now move to Account Settings to continue. You'll now go into Account and choose Professional Dashboard or Dashboard Settings. Find the toggle that says Show Professional Dashboard and tap it to turn it off. This action removes the persistent dashboard panel. If Instagram prompts you for confirmation or offers to switch your account, choose Switch to Personal to finalize removal. Make sure to follow any on-screen confirmation prompts. Skipping them can leave the dashboard visible. Once done, return to your profile to verify the dashboard no longer appears under your insights. You finish by verifying the dashboard is gone from your profile. Open the app and check Insights and Tools areas. If it still shows, close the app and restart to force a UI refresh. Make sure to clear the app cache or log out and back in if restarting doesn't work. This often resolves stale settings. If the toggle is missing or won't save, go to Settings, right arrow Help, right arrow Report a problem, and describe the behavior. That support step fixes account-specific glitches when all else fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.